thingy, because my mom is taking me to the Jantabun River bank, and I think I'll show you guys around. Yeah. First, we're gonna have some breakfast. Just some things at home. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm having today. Okay, so my breakfast is done. Some like dragon fruit and yes, dragon fruit is one of my favorite. So, bon appetit! Okay, so we have arrived. Isn't that pretty? So I guess we're just doing like a little trip around here. Maybe I'll just show you what I really like. But this is the first stop, Tamepong. It's really far and it's pretty hot. There's not a lot of shade here. So I guess we can just continue with our journey. So we got snacks. Yeah, snacks. I guess we're just gonna go find some more things. I think I might go get ice cream as well. So yeah, this thing's super good. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, let's go continue on that. I don't really know who he is, but my teacher did say he was the first person who brought like something to plant in Canterbury, and now makes him like super popular like historic person. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you around here. So my mom was hungry, so we got some noodles. Really good. But I'm not hungry, so we didn't get any. Yeah. If you come to Canterbury, make sure to come eat this. It's pretty good. Yeah. 5 ดาวให้เท่าไหร่ 5 ดาวให้เท่าไหร่ Yeah, you have. Hey, so I am home. Actually, this might not look so familiar because it's actually my grandma's house. And yeah, so I brought one of these. It's in this plastic bag. So this is like one of my favorite snacks. I don't know if it's drove by and gave me a really weird. Yes, super excited to have these again. Yeah, tastes really good. As good as I remembered them. So if you want to find these, it's at Chantaburi River Bank. Probably know that because I just said so. Yeah, come to Chantaburi and maybe come visit. Yeah. You're gonna go straight from the entrance, okay? And then you're gonna find like a house that is opened, and there's gonna be like some rice frying in the pot, or like some of this in bags at the front, and then yeah, you might find a sign that said Khao Tang, and yeah, you hit the jackpot. Yeah, 10 out of 10, totally recommend. Hold on. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you could, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That actually helps me a lot, and I love you guys so much. Make sure to wear a mask and stay safe out there. Bye!